Hey, yeah.
Hello.
It's been a good day today.
Yes.
Should have been going back to the care home.
Throat.
What?
I got blocked throat.
What are you looking at? Oh, I'm here.
I got blocked throat.
Oh, still talk though.
Yes, I know.
Anyway, what's this thing called?
The game.
No, the yellow thing. Look like a banana.
It's a Tetris Lite.
Nintendo Switch Lite.
Yes.
I got one of them at home. I got 6 of them.
Wow!
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. They turn on the lights. Light switch.
And look my brother. Smack your diaper.
No, I ain't got a diaper on. Not today. I'm not that old. Right, what game are you playing?
Fortnite. It's Amy. It's Amy. Amy wants to join me.
Who's Amy? Yeah, it's alright. If Amy wants to play, it's fine.
It's Harvey. It's Harvey.
Harvey.
George, invite me.
No. Oh yeah. Okay.
Hello, Harvey. All the way over there.
Harvey.
Show the camera. Show
Harvey.
the camera. What's on the screen?
You and me.
No, yeah, but no, not that screen, you muppet. Thought I was a muppet.
Me and you.
No, look at this. This. Show this over there. This there. Yeah. So what's this game called then?
Fortnite.
Fortnite.
Harvey B.
Also known as
Harvey
2
B.
weeks.
Peely.
I have a different.
Harvey, where's the death
You're a
one?
banana.
I'm putting it in.
You are a banana.
No.
You are.
No.
Your character is a banana.
Yeah, I know. It's Peely. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Peely.
Peely who?
I'm a banana.
Hey, here's one for you, George. Knock, knock.
Yes.
No, not
Georgie?
knock.
Who's there?
I need up.
I need a poo.
You need a poo. Me too.
How
Where's
should
the
I hop
toilet? I'll be
in
back
now?
now.
How should I hop in? Okay, would you
I think
rather?
this is the one you
Would
want.
it be lava or would it be water?
Oh,
I'm
George,
coming now.
George,
To
stop.
say goodbye to the boys.
George, don't do anything.
Give me 2 minutes.
I'm going
2
in.
minutes, love.
This is would you rather?
Oh, yeah. this
2
is- Would
minutes.
you rather?
Would you live in lava or would you live in
Fire.
water?
I think
Rather live in
water.
Kent.
Yeah, and me too.
Yes, it was water.
Harvey, where did you go?
Go into the water. George, go into the blue one.
Well, I'm off now.
I
Goodbye,
went into
everybody.
it.
See you next time from
I'm in it.
Uncle Jim.
I'm in
or
it.
Grandpa Jim, if you know me really well. Cheerio. Bye.
I can't go in.